Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Tab S6 Lite and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. And it's Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3 to visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin, and now we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, confirmed by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch on, off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!